AGLIO. AGLIO, OLIO. Let's go. Hello and welcome. Today we're gonna make AGLIO OLIO. Ingredients: garlic, which is AGLIO. Looks happy. Olive oil. Next is peppers. I mean red peppers. This is crushed and this is chopped. Parsley. Parmigiano. Parmigiano. Of course, the main ingredient is pasta. Bucatini. Bucatini looks like normal spaghetti, but it has holes inside, so you can use it as a straw. Pasta straw. Yeah. Oh, I forgot. Anchovies. Cutting board. Be careful. Be careful when you're using this. Here's me. It's purple. 4. Oh my god, I'm sorry for the mess. I'm so bad at this. Okay, let's boil our pasta first. I mean, my pasta, not yours. But... I'm sorry. Waiting. But we have to wait. Cheers. Salt. It's time for pasta. Don't judge. Don't judge. You didn't see that? What I'm gonna do is just put it there and then I will fold it. I think chefs and Italians, they're gonna be angry to see this. Come on, fold. Nice. It just like jumped the food. Okay. That works. Ah. Now I'm gonna use this pan. Oil. Anchovies. It will melt, so it's okay. Just wait until it melts. The smell of the anchovies. Ow! The chopped garlic. And then I put the pasta. I like to put a little bit of the pasta water. A little bit. I'm so sorry for the chaos. Here we go. let's do the plating. Let's go. The red pepper. Parmigiano. I feel like a DJ. This is what it looks like. The lighting is bad. Let me. Ooh, look at that. It's done. Ta-da! Voila! Finished. Oh my god, it's like sliding. It's fine. Now let's try. Bon appétit. Yummy. Perfetto. Over here. Thank you for watching. Now go make your own aglio olio. Ciao!